Down by the river, my guitar, yes, my people waiting for dawn to play. It's the time when I feel oh so divine.
It's really wet.
Road closed that way.
Yeah, this is it.
Oh shit.
But I know that this is going to feel really bad.
Alright, so that's the start of it. Do you even know if this actually ends up at the lake?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I'm hopeful it does, but you can't actually see it on the map.
I can't actually see any road in front of me, so now.
Do you want to get out and see how bad of an angle this is? If it's bad or if it just feels bad? 'Cause I'm no four-wheel drive expert, that's for sure. Hang on, I might try and send it a little bit.
Just send it.
Yeah, that was meant to be a track that ran down to the water's edge with no one around, and we could launch the canoe in ISO and go for a little paddle. That track goes to nowhere.
Absolutely nowhere.
All that's at the end is a big muddy hole that we did not want to go in, and that's it. So the car is now absolutely filled with mozzies, like out of control. I've never seen so many mozzies. And we're gonna have to head back. It's like a 5-10 minute drive to the public little area where, whoa, the canoe just moved a lot. The canoe just moved a lot, dude.
We're good.
We're good.
We're good.
It's my beat, it's the way I move my feet, the air I breathe, the way I live. Trust the world without the greed. Swear free in this world will be happy flowing energy. Gonna soar, gonna fly. Yes, I feel oh so. So divine.
So we just came up to the section that we thought our little dodgy track would lead us to. And I don't know if you're going to see it on the GoPro. We might go in and give you a closer look, but that's just bushes. There is no way that track was ever going to lead down there, man.
Nope. I think there's a Google stuff up.
Google hoaxing. Either way, total cock up. It's starting to rain. And we've got like a 20-minute paddle back to the car. It's proper raining. Oh, quick, we'll head in under this tree.
Yep.
I think it stopped raining. Oh, we're gonna crash.
Oh, wash me fucking. Jesus, mate. Do you reckon you can troll?
Yeah, try. That doesn't fucking hurt, does it?
No.
Keep the pace up, bro.
See.
To crank that drag. Yeah, boy.
Unless I just got a snag. No, something's moving. It's not fighting like a fish.
If it was a stingray, it'd be gone, dude.
Do you reckon? Alright, so first fish on the old luring for tuna.
What kind of lure did you use?
Stick bait.
Wasn't it a wormy thing?
I don't know what it was.
Don't lose this fish, boy.
No, we're still good. So this is probably my first fish ever. Proper. It's just right here at the boat. At the yak. Oh no!
No.
At the yak. Oh no!
No, what happened?
It come off and it ate it.
You're not. You dodgy knot. You know what a real bad part about this is that we just got so far away from the car and we didn't bring any more lures.
I hate fishing. I hate it.
Wrote that tree, spoke that green. Oh, my mind's so sore and free. Gonna see, gonna fly. Yes, I feel the soul divine. This world free and this world will be happy flowing energy. Gonna soar, gonna fly. Yes, I feel the soul, so divine.
Well, Canoe Sessions Volume 1 is done. Success or not?
I wouldn't call it a success. I wouldn't call it a success.
You can't say that word, can you?
A success. I can't. I wouldn't say it was a. I'd say it's a fail.
Yeah, it was. Well, I think we found an epic little spot. We'll definitely do it again. We'll definitely
100%.
come back.
Yeah.
The little track that we were hoping to get there on, well, that didn't work out.
No.
And well, you caught a fish, but you didn't really.
Yeah.
And we didn't take anything spare. Like the minute that lure was gone, it was game over. But it's pretty cool.
So I think like we really rushed into this day. Basically little to no research when we were going. No food, no water, no spare lures or jigs or whatever you bloody call them.
No beer.
No beer.
That was, how good was that? That sunset was
epic.
just
It was
unbelievable.
really good.
If we had a couple of beers for that, oh, stop it. I'd probably still be out there.
Yeah.
The sketchiest thing for me is putting it on the roof. Oh. I'm just worried it's going to fly off. I'm not the best at tying things down, and this thing weighs a lot. And we have to get up to it. Well, we're meant to get up to 100 on the highway, but I'm going to sit on the side of the highway doing about 60.
So all in all, I'd call it a bit of a semi-success.
You can't say that word.
Semi-success.
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 Yeah, we'll definitely do it again. It's a good option when, like in winter, when all the tuners are gone. It'll give us something to do. Yeah, no, I rated it. I just actually, you know what? We could take this thing anywhere.
We could.
We could
go like waterfalling in it. Go down waterfalls.
I'm not gonna go down. No way.
Wow.
But we could take it some sick places.
Yeah.
This opens up a whole new chapter.
Yeah. The ISO canoe sesh.
Yeah, and we're allowed to do it because we are exercising and we are fishing for food.
And just for all you people out there, we live together. So Bretto is my housemate, I'm his housemate. We can go anywhere together.
We're allowed to be.
We're allowed to be in the same car and do it.
We've looked at it. We're not being silly or being illegal.
Yeah. So we're fishing for food.
We're exercising. And we live together.
We live together, but even in the kayak, I'm at least 1.5 meters away from him.
It's actually enormous, this thing.
It's massive.
Massive. It's an absolute piece of crap, we know that. But it does the job. And I like it.
I love it.
I love it. Canoe Sessions Volume 2. Where will it be?
Down. Yep. We did it. GoPro. Meet Droney. Droney, meet GoPro. Ooh, lovebirds. Ooh, lovebirds. You're off your head.
The film medal.